Welcome to another episode of Bath Emporium Castle Kitchens. My name is Simran and I'm here today with Jasmine, and we're going to be unveiling an incredible transformation, the Fontainebleau project.
So this project was a complete overhaul from hardwood flooring, trim work, cabinetry. We have done everything in this project, and we have now incorporated a more modern and contemporary feel throughout the space that we'll show you today.
Let's dive right in and show you the stunning details.
So one of the major changes that we made to this space is that we added 2 flush beams. This allowed us to completely reimagine the whole main floor once it was opened up. And we realized that the family room and the kitchen spaces were quite small. So what we actually did is we flipped them over. This allowed for the kitchen to house a much larger island and offer a more spacious family room. So the color palette that we chose for this home is absolutely striking. We paired an off-white for the upper cabinetry with the navy blue accent island, as well as the Caesar stone Imperial white quartz countertop that we did on the island, back kitchen area, backsplash, and up the bookshelf. This allows for a more open feel throughout the kitchen. And one of the added details that we included, which is actually one of my favorite, is the brass strip along the crown molding. I love the extra added touch of the gold. And we also included mixed metals. So as you can see in the chandelier and throughout the kitchen, we included matte black, stainless steel, brass, and graphite. And we believe that it blends in beautifully together. So in a little bit more detail, what we did here is the Tribeca door style. It's a thin shaker door style that offers a more modern feel. And then talking more in terms of the design of the kitchen, we love symmetry in design. So what we did is we did a bank of 48-inch drawers on either side of the 48-inch range top. This allows continuous flow through this wall. And the 48-inch larger drawers house more utensils and things like that. So here, right beside the cooking, you're able to access everything that you would need. So continuing on, we did the fluted detail along the hood and matched the brass strip with what you see along the top crown molding. And the same fluting detail we did in the white along each drawer front on either side of the range top and either side of the island. And then on this wall, we were able to have an appliance wall with both separate 30-inch freezer, fridge, and as well as a combi speed oven from Dacor.
We chose Dacor appliances in a sleek graphite finish that adds both elegance and functionality. The 30-inch Dacor freezer and fridge columns feature a push-to-open door assist, allowing the doors to open gently with a simple push, enhancing both convenience and kitchen aesthetics. The Dacor 30-inch combination oven functions as an all-in-one appliance, eliminating the need for separate tools like a microwave, toaster, or an air fryer. It combines microwave and convection technologies, offering advanced cooking methods such as speed convection and healthy fry. The Dacor 48-inch range top offers a sleek aesthetic with its graphite stainless finish, allowing it to seamlessly blend into various kitchen designs. Additionally, the alumina knobs not only provide precise control, but also emit a welcoming glow when in use, enhancing both functionality and ambiance. The Thermador 24-inch built-in coffee machine brings the luxury of having your own personal barista at home, seamlessly blending into your kitchen for a sleek, high-end look. Its full-color LCD display lets you customize every detail from size to temperature, ensuring the perfect cup every time. With just a touch, you can enjoy cafe-quality espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes, all without leaving your home. These high-performance appliances are not only functional, but also bring a stunning aesthetic to the space.
Flooring plays a key role in bringing this kitchen together. We replaced all the original hardwood flooring throughout the house with a larger plank of engineered hardwood that offers both beauty and durability. And in the kitchen, we offered large format tiles, 24 inches by 48-inch tiles, to create a more open feel. As mentioned previously, the kitchen used to be the family room. So the fireplace used to be located on this wall, and there was this extra cavity of about 15 inches. So what we did is we decided to house a wine and china display cabinet within that cavity. We did the same navy blue color as the island and wrapped it with LED lighting and a walnut accent. Moving on to the family room, we added a secondary window to allow for more natural light to flood the space, making it feel more open and welcoming. We also included the same fluted detail that you saw on the kitchen hood on this accent wall that divides the formal living room and family room. This houses both a cozy fireplace and TV, creating a more perfect focal point in the room while still maintaining an open flow between the spaces. Moving on to the laundry room, we did custom cabinetry to allow for ample storage, Caesar stone inferior white quartz countertop on the counter and as well as the backsplash, Renovation matte black laundry room faucet, and the GE stacked washer dryer units. The powder room is another highlight for this renovation. We used Nero Marquina mosaics for the floors as well as the whole backsplash, bringing a touch of luxury. The matte black countertop paired with the navy blue fluted vanity and the LED mirror create a sleek and modern aesthetic that feels both functional and elegant. So this is the upstairs guest bathroom. In this bathroom, we did a royal bath and marble stone base. These spaces allow for a thin step up between the bathroom flooring and your showering space. We also include large format tiles with heated flooring, towel warmer, and smart intelligent toilets. And you'll see this throughout all the washrooms. More specifically here, we have the Toto Nexus toilet with the washlet seat attached, Renovation Equinox shower kit, and faucet. The master bathroom offers a beautiful contrast between the flooring and the walls. On the floor, we have the Nero Marquina 24 by 48 inch tiles, and on the walls, the Carrera Mare. We also included an Evanescent 74 by 40 air system bathtub. This tub offers heated backrest, air therapy, and chromotherapy lights. It also offers one of the largest bathing well lengths on the market. Going over to the shower, we did the Aqua Brass shower kit with the matching Nero Marquina handles that complement the flooring, the Caramali flushed rain head for the ceiling, and again the thin flush shower bases throughout the other bathrooms you see as well. The vanity in this bathroom complements everything else throughout the space with again the same thin Tribeca door style and the matching Nero Marquina quartz countertop. We also included the Accent Smart Intelligent Toilet. This toilet offers a very sleek design and just overall matches the aesthetic of the bathroom. This is the upstairs Jack and Jill bathroom featuring 2 sinks for the 2 bedrooms that are sharing the space, and as well as the Renovation Brushed Gold Ode collection. So previously, the master bedroom and the guest bedroom had walk-in closets. We removed those and offered wall-to-wall custom millwork in each room, and this allowed us to open up each bedroom by a few feet and beautiful light sconces and lighting throughout the space. So as you can see, we really didn't leave any detail of this home untouched. This is a children's bedroom closet that we also offered custom drawers and hanging solutions. So at Bath Emporium Castle Kitchens, we pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop. We offer everything from design, custom cabinetry, countertops, tiles, flooring, lighting, bathroom fixtures, all in one spot, as well as the tradespeople and skilled project managers to execute the actual renovation process. Thank you for joining us today at our Fontainebleau project reveal.
If you're looking to create your dream space, don't forget to like, subscribe, or reach out to Bath Emporium Castle Kitchens.